XRP is standing at a make or break moment, and all eyes are on a key resistance level that has held strong for months. But this time, something feels different. After multiple failed attempts, XRP is now testing this resistance again, and traders are wondering, is this finally the breakout we've been waiting for? A successful resistance flip could open the doors for a massive rally, sending XRP to new highs. But if history repeats itself, another rejection could bring short-term setbacks. So what's really happening? Is there enough momentum to push XRP past this barrier, or is a pullback on the horizon? In this video, we'll break down the charts, analyze the key levels, and see whether XRP is on the verge of one of the biggest resistance flips in crypto history. A resistance flip is one of the most important signals in technical analysis. It happens when an asset struggles to break above a certain price level for a long time, but once it does, that level becomes strong support instead of resistance. For XRP, this specific resistance has been tested multiple times in the past, each time leading to a rejection and a drop in price. But now the setup looks different. XRP is approaching this key level again, and the market sentiment is shifting. This resistance has been a major hurdle for XRP, keeping it from making a significant breakout. Traders know that once this level is flipped into support, it could trigger a wave of buying pressure, as it signals that XRP is no longer being rejected at that price. The more times a resistance is tested, the weaker it becomes, and XRP has been knocking on this door repeatedly. If the breakout is confirmed, it could mark a turning point for XRP's price action, leading to a surge in momentum. But to understand whether this is truly the moment XRP breaks free, we need to analyze the current price trends and trading indicators. Let's dive into the data and see what the charts are telling us. Right now, XRP's price action is showing signs of strong momentum, but is it enough to break past this resistance? Looking at the charts, we can see that XRP has been trading in a tight range, gradually building up pressure. This kind of pattern often leads to a major move, either a breakout or a rejection. Key indicators like the Relative Strength Index, RSI, are hovering around critical levels, suggesting that buying pressure is increasing. Meanwhile, moving averages are starting to align in a bullish formation, a sign that XRP could be gaining strength for an upward move. Another important factor to watch is trading volume. A true breakout needs strong volume behind it. Without it, even if XRP temporarily pushes above resistance, it could fall right back down. The good news? Recent spikes in volume suggest growing interest from traders and institutions. If volume continues to rise as XRP challenges this key resistance, it could be the confirmation needed for a real breakout. However, we've seen fakeouts before, moments when XRP appears to break out only to get pulled back down due to market corrections or external factors.
So, what's driving this potential breakout?
Is it purely technical, or are there real-world events pushing XRP higher? Let's take a look at the key factors influencing XRP's price right now. One of the biggest factors influencing XRP's price right now is Ripple's ongoing expansion and regulatory progress. With major partnerships forming and global financial institutions adopting Ripple's payment solutions, demand for XRP is growing. Recently, Ripple has been making headlines with new corridors for cross-border payments, which could increase XRP's real-world utility. The more institutions use XRP for transactions, the stronger its long-term fundamentals become. Another key driver is market sentiment. With Bitcoin and Ethereum showing signs of strength, the overall crypto market is in a more bullish phase. Historically, when Bitcoin moves up, altcoins like XRP tend to follow, and if this trend continues, XRP could ride the wave higher. Additionally, rumors of institutional investors accumulating XRP have been circulating, suggesting that big players might be preparing for a major move. If this is true, it could provide the final push needed for XRP to break through resistance. However, the regulatory landscape still plays a role in XRP's price movements. While Ripple has made progress in its legal battle with the SEC, any unexpected rulings or new regulations could impact market confidence. On the flip side, if Ripple secures a decisive victory, it could open the doors for more institutional investment and drive XRP's price even higher. With all these factors in play, what are the possible scenarios for XRP in the coming weeks? Let's break down the bullish and bearish possibilities. At this point, XRP stands at a critical crossroads, and there are two possible scenarios that could play out in the coming weeks. In the bullish scenario, XRP successfully flips resistance into support, confirming a breakout. If this happens, we could see a strong rally as more buyers step in, pushing the price higher. The first target in this case would be the next major resistance level, which could lead to a surge in momentum. If trading volume remains high and market sentiment stays positive, XRP could continue its upward trend, potentially entering price discovery mode where new highs become possible. A confirmed breakout would also attract institutional investors, further increasing demand. However, in the bearish scenario, XRP could face another rejection at resistance, leading to a pullback. If buyers fail to hold the breakout level, XRP might retrace to key support zones, where traders will be watching closely for signs of recovery. A rejection wouldn't necessarily mean the end of XRP's uptrend, but it could delay the breakout as the market consolidates before another attempt. The worst-case scenario would be a break below strong support levels, which could trigger short-term panic selling. For investors and traders, the key is to stay prepared. If XRP breaks out, watching for confirmation signals like strong volume and sustained price action is crucial. If it gets rejected, keeping an eye on support levels will help determine when the next breakout attempt might happen. So with everything we've covered so far, what's the best strategy for XRP holders? Let's wrap things up with some final thoughts. With XRP on the verge of a major move, the big question for investors is what to do next. If you're a long-term holder, this could be an opportunity to stay patient and wait for confirmation of a breakout. If XRP successfully flips resistance into support, it could mark the beginning of a much larger uptrend. However, staying informed and watching key levels is crucial to making smart decisions. For traders, the focus should be on confirmation signals before making any big move. A breakout with strong volume and price stability could be a sign to enter, while a rejection at resistance might indicate a short-term pullback. Managing risk with stop-loss orders and taking profits along the way can help navigate the volatility. Regardless of